Does your space feel outdated and in need of a refresh? Maybe it feels old, dull, or just not your style anymore. Sure, you could repaint, replace everything, or try to relaminate. But those options, they're messy, expensive, and take time. That's where we come in. Good news. At Nelco's, we offer a smarter solution. High-end Bodaq architectural film that gives old surfaces a brand new life. It's fast, clean, cost-effective, and it looks amazing. Just head over to our website and choose the solution that fits your space, like refinishing cabinets, doors, walls, furniture, elevators, and more. And don't worry, we're not limited to just these. We can wrap almost any rigid surface. Check out how it works and reach out for a free quote. Want to see and feel the options? We offer over 450 stunning patterns: wood, stone, marble, metal, fabric, leather, and more. We can send samples straight to you, or you're welcome to visit our office to explore them in person. Once you're ready, our skilled team takes care of everything. No dust, no mess, just a quick, clean installation. Most projects take only 1 to 3 days. We bring new life to old surfaces while saving your budget, time, and even the environment. And just like that, brand new look, premium feel, without the renovation headache. Upgrade your home or business easily with Nelco's. Find the link below to get started.